Hi guys, welcome to the channel Excelways. So guys, finally foldable smartphones are becoming real now, especially in 2019 where many companies were teasing their foldable smartphone concepts. For the past couple of months, there have been some types of gossips here and there, but nothing becomes reality. There were many leaks that the companies like Xiaomi, Lenovo, Huawei, and LG are working on the foldable smartphones concept. But a company named Royal Corporation have launched the world's first foldable smartphone known as Royal FlexPi. But guys, honestly, this thing looks really ugly. It just looks like you are forcing this thing to bend in the middle. As you can see, the folding and the unfolding process looks really brutal. You guys can see that stretching in the screen during the folding process. But we can understand this because it's just the beginning of the foldable smartphones, and this thing will definitely take some time to evolve. But there is another big player, Samsung, who had been teasing their foldable displays from years, had unveiled their foldable smartphone at the developer conference. They called this the Infinity Flex display, and it was shown on stage like this, in a very low light so that they can hide the main design of the phone. And this is just a working prototype. This is not a finished one. But now it seems like Samsung just have finished their work with this, and they are expected to launch their first foldable smartphone on 20th Feb with the new Galaxy S10 family. So guys, it will be the first generation thing, means first generation of the foldable smartphones. So I wouldn't expect too much from all the companies who are working on this foldable thing. This will definitely take some time to evolve, and it looks really cool and futuristic. So guys, what I think, this foldable technology is the beginning of the more important and interesting thing happening to the smartphones.
See guys, in the last couple of years, we haven't seen any great innovation in the smartphones lineup. Every single year, only the performance and the quality of cameras are improving, but nothing any different. And Samsung is the company who always tries something creative with their displays, which is then accepted by everyone. Remember, the large screens introduced by Samsung accepted widely today, when everyone thought big screen would be a bad idea. Then the edges on the displays, which everyone thought useless at first. But then people starts loving them, and now there exist those edges on every SN Note lines. And then the bezel-less displays on which they are still working. And companies like LG and Xiaomi are also working in this foldable concept. Recently, LG launched this rollable OLED TV in CES 2019, which also looks great. And again, Xiaomi's co-founder also posted a demo video to Chinese social platform where he is showing Xiaomi's double-sided foldable smartphone prototype, which also looks great. So guys, just like we have accepted every new technology, this foldable technology will also look weird at first. And this thing might not look interesting at first, but if we give it some time to evolve and know the applications of it, then this would be a great innovation in the history of smartphones. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye now.